This video lesson will teach you the 4 types of sentences. At the end of the video, you should be able to name the 4 types of sentences and define their purpose, identify the types of sentences, use the correct end mark for each type of sentence, and then create your own examples for each type of sentence. You will use side 1 of your WISC to take your Cornell notes as you watch the video on the 4 types of sentences. We'll begin by naming each type of sentence. The 4 types of sentences are declarative, interrogative, exclamatory, and imperative. Declarative sentences make a statement that tells something. Statements that tell something generally give us information about a topic or a person. Here are some examples of declarative sentences. Mammals are animals with fur. The United States is made up of 50 states. I am going swimming this Saturday. Each of these declarative sentences gives us information or tells us something. Declarative sentences always end in a period. Next is interrogative sentences. Interrogative sentences ask a question to find out something. Here are some examples of interrogative sentences. Are dolphins mammals? Which state is the biggest? Whose birthday party is on Saturday? Each of these interrogative sentences ask a question. Did you notice the question words? Are, which, and whose? Remember that all questions must end in a question mark. Next is exclamatory sentences. Exclamatory sentences use an exclamation to express a strong feeling. They often look like statements, but are spoken and meant to be read with a stronger feeling. Here are some examples of exclamatory sentences. I'm scared of tigers. The state of Alaska is huge. Amber is already 7 years old. Each of these exclamatory sentences expresses a strong feeling. To show these strong feelings when we write, all exclamatory sentences must end in an exclamation point. Last, we have imperative sentences. An imperative sentence gives a command. Commands tell someone what to do. Here are some examples of imperative sentences. Look at how the dolphins jump out of the water. Call your Aunt Sandy in New York. Do a dive off of the diving board. Each of these imperative sentences gives a command for someone to do something. Can you find the command words? Right. Look, call, and do are all command words. Imperative sentences also end in a period.